Okay, so here's another variation of some pleating. I've decided I'm going to use 2 different colours this time and do a double pleat. So what you need to do is just make sure they're both level, like so. And then you want to choose which colour is going to be your top and which is going to be your bottom. So I'm going to go for the purple on the bottom and the orange at the top. And then what I'm going to do is just staple just at the top, so it's just as the top of the purple. And then I'm going to go a little bit further down, make sure it's nice and even, and do another staple. And go a little bit further. I'm doing it at quite long intervals because you don't want too many staples in the way when you're going to start your pleating. And that just makes the 2 ribbons stay together so you don't end up having them slip all the time. Exactly the same as last time, you do a pleat in front and a staple. Make sure you staple where the purple finishes, and then in the back like so, and staple, and you just carry on like that. Do a couple more. If you find the ribbon does start to slip a little bit in your fingers, you can put extra staples in closer together just so they don't move quite so much. Just do a couple more. The more you practice with this as well, the better you get at it, the quicker you find you're getting through the ribbon. And that's just your double pleat.